Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign into Google account on laptop or computer. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Chrome and I'm going to show you how we can sign into our Google account. Here as you can see, I have signed into my Google account and I'm going to add new Google account to this Chrome. So I'm going to click on add. And if we want to sign in, we just need to click on sign in right here. And then you have to enter your Google account and also the password. Okay, here you need to enter your email. I'm going to use this Google account, guys. Okay, and click on next. And you need to enter your password as well. Okay, we need to enter our password here and click on next. Alright, and I have entered my password and also my Google account, guys. And now I have successfully signed into the Google account on this computer. And then I'm just going to click on no thanks. Okay, then I'm just going to skip it. Alright, and now I have signed into my Google account on this computer. Okay, this is my Google account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to sign into Google account on laptop or computer. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.